Hello guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing day. And today I'm going to be putting together a team basket. I already started. I got the Disney mirror brush and head wrap. On the top up there, I got some lip gloss. I got the depuffing eye gel pads. I got the little bag over here. And I got the body soap right there. We're going to put the palette in there. We're going to put a journal and the Disney pen in there. We might put this little bag, Disney bag in it. I haven't made up my mind. We're going to put a loofah in there. We're going to put this makeup wipes in there so she can take the little eyeshadow off. We're going to put her a set of nails in there. We're going to put this in there just to give it some pop. We're going to put the little tumbler in there. We're going to put a little purse in here. We're going to put the champagne, rose champagne body wash and bubble bath. We're going to put the bath bomb in there. We're going to put the rose champagne fragrance mist in there. And we're also going to put the rose champagne body scrub in there. So I already wrapped the box and I already put that stuff in there. Packed it down with packing paper and put some tissue paper on top. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning true soldier of the family, welcome back. Let's run right on in, jump right on into making this basket because I don't want to hold y'all long. How's everybody doing today? We're going to take the cup and I think we're going to put it right back here since it's high. We're going to take the little headband ears, the fluorescent headband ears, and we're going to place them right behind the cup just to give it some pop. Like that. We're going to take the journal. No. We're going to take the purse first since it's going to be a little focal point. And we're going to put the purse just right in there kind of like that. I think that looks good so far. Then we're going to take the journal. We're going to set it just right between the purse and the cup like that. Then we're going to take, on this side, we're going to put all the champagne stuff. So we're going to take the mist and lay it right there. We're going to take the bubble bath and put it right there. We're going to take the fizzer thing and put it right there. And then we're going to take the little body scrub and put it right there. Can y'all see that? Let's back it up a little bit. Tilt it. Okay. Then we're going to take the loofah and we're going to put it right on in front of that pink stuff since it's pink. And then we're going to, over here, we're going to add the palette since right in front of that journal. Like that. I think we can see everything pretty good. Then we're going to take the wipes and put them right down there in front of the palette with the palette up. And we're going to take the nails and put them right there. I don't think we're going to have no room for this little thing. And plus, we already got a little pouch in there, a Disney pouch right over here. So I don't think we need two. And all I have to do now, guys, is add treats. And I think I'm going to add them in the back, some in the front. Did we get any lip gloss in there? Yep, they got a lip gloss up there. I don't know what kind of treats I'm going to put in there. I think since it's a big person, we'll give them Tootsie Rolls right there. And slide them behind that. Just to fill it in. Put the little Tootsie Rolls right there. We're gonna put the cotton candy. Let's see if we can squeeze it somewhere. Maybe if we scoot that over just a little bit. Scoot that over. Scoot that over. Slide the cotton candy in there. And just stack these around the cotton candy. Like that. Pull the purse up some. Put the loofah down there. Put the little scrub on top of it like that. I think that looks pretty good. That's the tag. I think that looks good. Let's get some chips. Whatever I pull out of here is what they're gonna get. Got some Cheetos right there. I'm gonna slide the Cheetos back there. Like that. So we got 1, 2. The Rice Krispies, guys, is in the back, so I'm not gonna go back, run back there and get them. Let's see what else we can get for a big purse. We got some fruit by this. We can just drop some of those in there to fill up spaces. Let's put one right there. Maybe add one up there. Like that. I got some suckers. I'll find it. Hey, in the other room. Let's see what we got right here. What we on? 7 minutes? We're doing pretty good. We got some notes. Got some fun dip down here. I didn't drop it. We can add that right behind there. If we could just make it stand up there, let me put a little something to hold it up there so it just don't drop down. Put that right there. That's that. Oh, how y'all like that? I think that's enough. We got some chips, fun dips. We got a big thing of Tootsie Rolls. We got a big thing of cotton candy. We got some fruit by the pound, fun dip, and some fruit gummies. And I think that's gonna be it. Add some shred. Do big people like shred? I don't know. So we're gonna add some purple shred up in here. This was in the front up here. Right across here. right there between them. Like that. Like that. A little bit over here. Like that. Put a little bit on the sides right here. Down up in there. Like that. Like that. Let's look at this side over here. Yeah, we can add some right up in here. I'm gonna go back and tape those down. I just don't want to make a long video. I think we pretty much got it, guys. Again, this is a teenager Disney princess, I guess you could say, with some Disney princess stuff and a purse and a tumbler, a journal, some little makeup palette, a Disney princess, and bath stuff, some nail, and some makeup remover for the eyeshadow. I think that's cute for a little teenager. She got a mirror, a brush, a headband, stuff to take a bath with, stuff to puff down her eyes before she put on her eyeshadow. She got some lip gloss to keep her lips moist. She got this little purse thing to put all her little stuff in when she get it out of the basket. And she can put that little pouch up in her purse and take it around with her. And yeah, I think it's cute. I'm find some decorations to put on the front of that plain box, but that's the end of the teenager basket. Yeah. So thank you all for joining me. If you would give me a thumbs up, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're right there, tap the notification bell, and when it drops down, make sure that the all is checked. Drop that in the comment section and let me know that you've been here. And I can come back to your channel and show you the same kind of love that you just showed me. And until my next video, guys, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. And until my next video, everybody be blessed. Bye, guys.